The relationship between respiratory health and nutrition is rarely discussed. Hi, I am Shubhashree, coming with the new information on what we know about lung health and its connection with nutrition. As far as lung health is considered, we speak about smoking, pollution, microbial infections, common cold, and occupational exposure to dust particles as the major reasons. For healthy respiratory systems, we require a diet high in powerful nutrients. In fact, recent evidence shows that a nutritious diet has a major say in mitigating risk factors associated with the onset and progression of critical lung illnesses such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or commonly known as COPD, and asthma. Statistics from the World Health Organization show that COPD caused 3.23 million casualties in 2019, making it the third leading cause of death globally. Undernutrition, obesity, nutrients, active components of plant origin, specific diet, and certain food groups affect the development and progression of respiratory illnesses. In this column, we will be discussing nutrition's role in lung health by citing and analyzing cross-sectional, epidemiological, and animal model studies. Let's first focus on undernutrition and lung illnesses. Undernutrition begins in the womb. A poor respiratory system in a fetus is often a result of maternal malnutrition. Patients with COPD are frequently undernourished, and clinical nutrition management is a key to disease management. Advanced COPD is associated with weight loss, muscle wasting, and micronutrient deficiency, which collectively increases the mortality risk in COPD patients. In a 2013 review, nutritional supplements and high calorie intake were associated with improved muscular function in malnourished COPD patients. There are multiple other studies with the similar results, one from Japan. And also there is a study that said that when the COPD patients were provided with branched chain amino acid, it addressed the protein malnutrition in those patients and provided positive results such as growth of fat-free muscle mass. Then we come to the link between obesity and asthma. And there are a lot of evidence that link obesity with asthma and the progression of severe asthma. In the United States, 250,000 new asthma cases are caused annually by obesity. Can you believe that? Just for the obesity and the asthma connection is huge. In adults with healthy weight, asthma prevalence is 7.1%, while in the obese adults, it is 11.1%. And when it comes to women, the association is shocking. Lean women has only 7.9% of prevalence of asthma, whereas 14.6%, which is almost double, of obese women were diagnosed with asthma. There is a strong link between obesity and multiple chronic illnesses, including asthma. However, the mechanism explaining the link, that why and how obesity is linked to asthma, is yet to be investigated. But we have a couple of theories that we can discuss here. According to a 2013 study, obesity alters the mechanical functions of the respiratory system, which could be linked to asthma. However, extra body weight and associated complications such as gastroesophageal reflux, difficulty in breathing during sleep, and low lung volume can also worsen asthmatic conditions. A questionnaire-based cross-sectional study, which involved around 1,000 people with active asthma, found that individuals with a high body mass index reported poor asthma-specific quality of life and asthma management, as well as increased asthma-associated hospitalization than patients. With normal BMI, these associations were much lesser. And there is another study that explains that how chronic inflammation, which is directly associated to obesity, affects the immunity system and causes diseases such as dementia, sleep apnea, atherosclerosis, type 2 diabetes, asthma, arthritis, gout, fatty liver, and septicemia. Then we come to the dietary habit and respiratory health. So undernutrition and obesity are the nutritional status that we discussed when it comes to respiratory health and illnesses. Now we will discuss that how the special diets or what we eat regularly affects our respiratory health. Dietary patterns always have a significant impact on everything, on all our systems, including the respiratory system. A 2013 review say that ensuring a diet that is rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids during pregnancy and childhood may protect against allergic diseases. Known as the world's most nutritious diet, which is the Mediterranean diet, or we also call it Med diet, have been found to protect against allergic respiratory diseases. Mediterranean cuisine consists of plant food mostly, which is fruits, colorful vegetables. The cooking medium is mostly olive oil, which is rich in omega-3. We also have nuts, beans, and seeds, complex carbs in their daily diet. Also, a moderate amount of yogurt and low-fat dairy. There is rarely any red meat that we find in Mediterranean diet, and this is very powerful since it's rich in phytonutrients, antioxidants, omega-3, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Among 700 school-age children on Indian diet, the lesser days of asthma or incident they reported. And we have similar studies with that. Conversely, on the other hand, the Western diet, which is typically loaded with refined white sugar, trans fat, red meat, vegetable oil, salt, that has been found to increase the risk of wheezing and asthma in children. An analysis involving around 54,000 women found those who consumed a sugary, fat-laden Western diet had more frequent asthma attacks than those who ate more fruits and vegetables. So the Western diet affect respiratory health both in children and in adults. And then last but not the least, we also have lung protective food groups and nutrients. Fruits and vegetables are always considered the best protective food group. They contain phytonutrients, vitamin, minerals, antioxidant, and guard respiratory health. Evidence shows that eating more fruits and vegetables, cooked green vegetables, may reduce incidence of wheezing among children aged 8 to 12. In a 2000 prospective cohort study from the United Kingdom, adults who consumed more fruits and veggies for 3 months had a lower risk of asthma incident. Consuming antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, vitamin A, carotenoids, these are also associated with lesser incident of COPD and asthma according to study. And also the vitamin D deficiency had to be looked for. There is ample of evidence that vitamin D is imperative to immune function. So from this, we can conclude that the role of nutrition in protecting and promoting lung health cannot be overstated. There are, however, hardly any randomized control trial, which we consider as the golden standard for research, examining the association between dietary patterns, food groups, metabolic conditions, and respiratory health. Most references are either epidemiological, cross-sectional, observational, or animal model-based. To the end, it is important to remember that a balanced diet contributes to overall physical well-being, including respiratory health. And we will have more information going forward. Just remember to eat healthy for your healthy lungs. Thank you for watching my column, and give your opinion in the comment section, and make sure that you have access to other content, other interesting content from ThePrint by following them in social media, by subscribing to the YouTube channel. Thank you.